Assalamu alaikum. Early Standard Mathematics A by Cantab publisher, and remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board, and our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And today's topic, triangle. It's mean that by the end of the lesson the students will be able to recognize triangular shape. So let's start the lesson by showing different objects to the students. What is this? It's a circle because it is going round and round, round and round. But look at here. Is it a circle? Is it going round and round? No, it's not a circle. Then what is it? Oh, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3. It is having 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. It is having 3 sides. So this is called a triangle. This is a triangle. Look at here. Hello. I am a triangle and I am your friend. I am having 1, 2, 3 sides. Oh yes. Triangle is your friend. After this, invite different students to come closer to you, and let them count the sides like this. After this, show them a triangle by using your hand. I am a triangle. I am having 3 sides. I am a triangle. I am having 3 sides. Ask them, encourage them to look around themselves and try to find out the objects having triangular shapes. Then you can ask them to just imagine themselves in the bakery and try to name the bakery items having triangular shape. For example, pizza, piece of a pizza. And sandwich, yes. And finally, what you can do, you can give them Play-Doh and you can ask them to use their hands like this and try to make a triangle. This is a triangle. After this, what you can do, you can give them a piece of paper and you can ask them to draw triangular shape on it. Then invite them for the book walk. Ask them about the name of these things. What is this? Yummy, yummy. Samosa. And samosa is of triangular shape. Triangular. Bread. Sandwich. Yes, sandwich is also of triangular shape. Triangle. Pizza. Triangle. After this, encourage the students to trace the shape of triangle with crayon, and finally ask them to look at the different shapes and find out the triangular shape and color it in yellow. As homework, you can ask them to collect the pictures of the objects having triangular shape, or you can ask them to draw a triangle in the notebooks by their own. Thank you very much.